Ewoks all together and we're having fun. Friends together, friends forever. Ewoks. We're fearless little Ewoks. We like adventure, helping friends in danger. Out in the forest, sharing in the magic on the moon of Endor. Ewoks all together and we're having fun. Friends together, friends forever. Ewoks. We're the Ewoks. Yeah!
Chihuahua. Hey, Nita, wait for me.
Come on, Wicket. There's more sunberries at the end of the chute.
Nita, here I come. Whoa!
Whee! Oh! My pouch is full. How about yours?
Oh, darn day, Nita. Look out!
Oh!
Nita,
Help! Wicket!
hang on, Nita. I'm coming. Hang on. I'll get you.
Whoa!
Gotcha.
Oh, what was that thing?
I don't know. But we'd better get back to the village and warn the tribe.
Wicket! It's coming back!
Wait, that came from Mowgray's hut. Yum nub. The sunberry trees have ripened at last. Tomorrow, you return to the Ewoks forest and destroy every berry tree.
That's the monster we saw in the sunberry grove.
It is the Mantigrew, daughter.
The Mantigrew?
The flying slave of our old enemy, Morag, the Tulga Witch. Once, in the distant past, Morag sent the Mantigrew to devour our sunberry trees. Without the tree's special berries, many Ewoks fell sick. Oh, it was a time of misery. And now, once again, Morag sends the beast to plague us.
How I'd like to drive that winged thief away for good.
Chief Chirpa, let's give it to the big bully.
The Mantigrew's skin is too thick to hurt. To defeat it, we must use another kind of weapon.
Soap?
A bar of soap? What are we supposed to do? Wash it to death?
Just watch, you guys.
This soap is made from the rare shadow root plant. It has the power to make everything it washes invisible.
Hey, they made it.
No, no. You see, clean water brings it back again.
I knew that.
We will need everyone's help to hide the trees before the Mantigrew returns.
And please use the soap carefully. There's barely enough to go around.
Here's a brush for you. Well, let's get started. Wicket? Oh, no.
Wicket, you are to look after the Rocklings while the elves are busy painting. Take them down to the river and give them a good bath.
Yay, Wicket, Wicket!
Oh, come on, I'm always the one that has to babysit.
Painting these trees is simply a job for adults, Wicket.
Yeah, and we're adults.
You Duloc brain lurdo! Hey, come back here!
I'll help babysit Wicket. Come on, Wicket. It'll be fun. Let's go. Yeah, we want to go swimming.
I hate this hot sun.
And this wretched flies. Hurry up, Shaman.
Quit writing. I need a few more ingredients for my magic potion.
You and your magic potions. If you were any kind of a wizard, you'd figure out some way to keep these bugs off us, Duloc.
All right, here's a fly swatter. Live it up. He walks.
Ewok!
Come on in, you guys. I'll get you for that, Wiley. Hey, you're supposed to be getting clean.
Ewok soap. There's nothing like it on all Endor for driving away bugs.
Let's get it.
You mean you had the Ewok's bug-ridding soap in your grasp, and you let it slip away? Foolish bead rattler!
Please, Great King Garnish, I tried, but there were too many of them. Ewoks by the dozens, hundreds. I fought like a Hanadak, but they swarmed all over me, pulling me down and tearing the bar from my desperate hands.
Well, it seems our little tree-loving cousins don't want to share their secret soap with us. I guess we've got no choice but to take it!
Thank you, everyone. You did a wonderful job.
It's a wall. Look, all the trees are gone.
Careful there. The trees are invisible, but just as hard as ever.
Yup. That soap's amazing.
Check. Now all the sunberry trees are safely hidden from the mantigrew.
But what about the sunberry trees down by the river?
By the spirit trees. I'd forgotten all about them.
We could paint them for you.
Yeah, we'll do it.
I don't know. It's a big job.
Please, Master Logray.
Very well. But be careful with it now. We're running very low on soap. I can't look. Oh, come on. Hurry up.
Why don't you go in a dive?
We made it. Yahoo! We made it.
Nobody home. Well, come on.
Finding a bar of soap in all this mess ain't gonna be easy.
Well, we better find one or they won't let us back into the swamp. This is no time to play. Now, find that soap. you silly. Oh, what else have we got here? Ewok soap!
Come on. Hurry it up. Get your foot out of my face.
Quit yelling! What you doing?
Thank you.
Save a piece for me. I want a piece for me.
Ah, this is more like it. I feel like a new Duloc. Where's my arm?
Your arm? What about my hand?
Your head.
Your soap is bewitched.
The soap washes away. See?
Wonderful. If we can use this soap to become invisible, what's to stop us from throwing a scare into the whole Ewok village? Nothing! I thought there wasn't.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Didn't I tell you this would be fun? That's neat. Andy, hey, hide and be quiet.
Sorry.
Oh, get off my tail! Oh, you're stepping on me. Look out!
Sorry.
You can relax, gang. We didn't see anything. Oh, and we didn't even finish half the trees.
No one knows we're here.
Let's go and make it scary.
Kuncha, vine a to saču. Ichi wow.
Flying broom? Ridiculous.
Hey, come on, you guys. It's me.
What's going on out here? Oh, we're under attack, Chief. We can't see what's doing it.
Heed all words, Ewoks. We are the tree spirits. Too long have you furry beggars lived in our branches. We now banish you from this forest forever. Go and be gone. Go.
Did you hear? Did you hear? The tree spirits have turned on us. Our village is haunted.
Oh, board up feathers. The trees have always sheltered us. The spirits wouldn't drive us away.
Chief Chirpa, what happened?
Not now, Wicked. We've got by the spirit tree. What's wrong with those walklings?
We had a little accident with the magic soap. Father, look!
Duloc tracks.
I thought I heard Dulocs in the forest, but there was no one there.
Oh, yes, there was. And they must have been the ones who stole my last bar of Shadow Root soap.
Last bar? Uh-oh. We used up ours before we could hide all the trees.
If the Manticore sees even one sunberry tree, it will rampage through the forest until it destroys the others. And maybe us as well.
Sleep well, my pet. You have a big day ahead of you. One the Ewoks will not soon forget.
Without the magic soap, our sunberry trees are as good as gone. Old Morag must be laughing now.
And what's worse, now the Dulocs can become invisible and attack us any time.
Since when did Dulocs care about soap? They smell awful. Yuck. And all those bugs swarming around them. Yuck.
That's it. When they stole the magic soap, they must have thought they were getting the special bar that keeps our fur clean. Wicket, Nisa, I'll need your help. Go out with your friends and gather all the bugs you can. Big ones, tiny ones. Put them all in sacks while I brew up a little surprise for our Duloc tree spirits.
Arise, arise, go forth and destroy!
Greedy creatures. We'd have given them some soap if they'd only asked for it. Thieves never prosper. It's time the Dulocs learned that lesson. Wicket, you're the only one small enough to sneak in and get the soap. And don't forget to leave this in its place.
Son, be careful.
Sure wish I could turn invisible now.
Dulocs! By now, the Ewoks are shaking in their hoods, too terrified of us tree spirits to fight. Let us return to haunt their village again and take it for our own. Come on, everyone. It's bath time. Ewok.
Get him! The soap, Ewok. Hand it over, Ewok.
No! No! No!
Now, Virgo, my sweet, let's show these furballs how terrible we tree spirits can be.
All right, Nisa. Batara, open the sacks. That soap will attract these bugs like a magnet.
Go, Bug!
We've beaten the Dulocs, but we still have to deal with the Mantigrew. How much soap is left?
Oh, no! It's gone!
beaten.
Don't be sad, Wicket. It wasn't your fault.
But it was up to me to protect the sunberry trees. Maybe there's still a chance.
Wicked, Henry, come down from there.
Sure hope this works.
Wicket, look out!
All right, let's hear it for our little brother. In honor of Wicket's cleverness and courage, I proclaim this day a holiday.
Won't Morag be pleased when her pet comes back empty-handed?
Wicket, I'm so proud of you.
Aw, thanks, Lisa. There's just one thing I have to know.